Hey guys, happy Tuesday. Today we're going to go through the math work together. When you need to work on it, you can pause this video to work on it, or you can go back to the PowerPoint and do it from there, okay? So let's get started with our number talk. Alright, so today's True or False Tuesday, so you need to tell me if these problems are true or false, okay? You can work them out on a separate piece of paper. Remember, true means it's correct, and false means it's wrong. That means it's not true, okay? So it's either true or false. All right, so here's the first one. 7 plus 2 equals 5. You can write down on a separate piece of paper if that's true or if that's false. The words are down here, okay? True is in green. So true is right here in green and false is right here in blue, okay? You can pause the video to work on it and figure it out. All right, so yep, 7 plus 2, that's true. It does equal 5. All right, here's our next one. 5 plus 1 equals 6. Is that true or false? Pause the video so you can work this out and figure it out. Okay, let's go on to the next one. That one was true. It's correct. All right, this one's a little trickier. 9 equals 2 plus 2 plus 5. Is that true or false? Remember, let's figure out what this side is and see if they equal each other. Okay, so you can pause it to work it out. Yep, so let's see if we can do it together real quick to check your work. Okay, so I have 5, so I'm going to draw 5 circles. And I'm going to add 2, and now I'm adding these, right? So I can count them all together to see what it equals, so let's count them together. So it's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So we have 9 and then equals 9. So is that true or false? Yeah, that one's true. Good job. All right. So now we're going to go into our vocabulary for this week. Okay, so we're practicing addition and subtraction and then word problems as well. All right, so here I have counting on and counting back. Those are two strategies that we're working on today for addition and subtraction. So that's when you put the number in your head and you either count on if it's addition or count back if it's subtraction, okay? We're going to practice using a number line to help us count on and count back. Another strategy is finding doubles. And then this strategy to draw a picture for addition and subtraction, we know that one, okay? So we're just going to practice that some more if we need to. And then we're going to be talking about tally charts this week, all right? And we're doing word problems, okay? So we're going to be focusing on word problems starting this week. These are words that can tell me in these word problems if I need to add or subtract. Okay, so adding is words like in all, add, all together, total, plus, join, both, sum, more, and combined. Those are all words that would tell me to add, that I need to add them together. These are words that would tell me I need to subtract. So that's difference, remain, fewer, how many more, take away, are left, less, and minus. So these are words we're going to be looking for when we do word problems, okay? All right, let's go on to the next slide. All right, so today we are going to be talking about using a number line to add and subtract, okay? So when you use a number line, the first thing that you're going to do is place the first number on the number line, okay, when we're adding. So here I have 5 plus 2. So I'm going to plot 5 on the number line. So I'm going to put a dot right here. And the second number tells me how many jumps I need to make. If I'm adding, I'm hopping forward. Okay, so I'm getting bigger. 5 plus 2, so you're hopping towards the bigger number. All right, so let's look. So I started on 5, and then I made 2 jumps forward to get to 7. So I started on 5, and I made 2 jumps forward to get to 7. All right, so that's how we use the number line to add. Remember, plot the first number, and then hop forward the amount of the second number. So I plotted 5, and I hopped forward 2 to get to 7. All right, you can also use the number line to help you subtract. Okay, so this is going to be different, though, because we're going to be hopping backwards. So you're going to be getting smaller. So we start the same way. We're going to plot the first number. So here I have 7 minus 4. So I'm going to take the 7 and I'm going to plot the 7 on my number line. But instead of jumping forward, I'm going to jump backwards 4 spots. I'm going to start at the 7. I'm going to jump back 1, 2, 3, 4. So there's my answer. Because I'm getting smaller, subtract, you're taking away, you're getting smaller. Okay, so let's see. So here I started at my 7 and I'm subtracting, so that means I'm getting smaller. So I jump back 4 spots and I land on 3, my answer. All right, so now let's work on a word problem. Okay, and you can do this on your piece of paper, okay? So first we're going to read the word problem I have over here. Okay, Kayla had 8 cookies. Jayla ate 3 of her cookies. How many more are left? Okay. So first I need to decide, is this an addition or a subtraction problem? I see the words, how many more are left? That tells me it's a subtraction problem, okay, because Kayla had 8 and then Jayla's taking away 3. Okay, so my answer is going to be smaller. I want to know how many more are left. All right, and I'm going to use the number line to help me solve this. So I know it's subtraction because Kayla had 8 and Jayla's taking away 3, but she's eating them. So she's taking them away. So if I'm doing a subtraction problem on the number line, Kayla had 8 cookies. So I know I'm going to start on 8, right? And then Jayla ate 3, so she's taking away 3. Do you think I'm going to jump forward or backward? I'm going to jump backward because she's taking away. So I'm going to jump back 1, 2, 3. What do I land on? 5. So how many cookies were left? 5. Okay, let's write the problem down here. So what number am I going to start with? Yep, you always start with a bigger number when you're subtracting. So Kayla had 8. And I know it's subtraction because she's taking away. She's getting smaller. How many am I taking away? That's right, she's taking away 3. And how many are left? 5. Good job. All right, you can do this on a separate piece of paper, and you can use a different strategy if you'd like. You could draw a picture. So you could draw your 8 cookies and then cross out 3 because we're taking away 3, okay? You can do this problem whatever is the easiest way to do it for you. So do it on a separate piece of paper so you can show your teacher all the work you did. All right, and finally, you guys are going to practice some addition subtraction problems today, okay? Today we're going to be practicing adding and subtracting 1. I know this says subtract 1. These are both subtraction sheets, so we need to fix that so one's addition, okay? So you're going to do subtraction and addition practice. I want you to get really, really good about doing these in your head. If you can't though right now, that's okay. Use a strategy that works for you. You can draw a picture, you can count on and count back, you can use your fingers. I want you to work to solve these problems. If you have any questions, let us know. Have a great day. Bye.